back again, and your passport around the world. Passport around the world. You're traveling with us with the word love, L-O-V-E, and the other word. That is so important to us. Live it and love it until you die. Right here from great North America, in the heart of the state of Michigan, the great state of Michigan, and it is the truck. We brought you some wonderful things from Reverend Linda Laurie, talking about essential oil, and that young man that touches our heart about politics and doing volunteer services, Charlie Cadado. And we bring you now some young people who want to say they do something besides sag. You know, you've heard the word in America, sagging. Sagging. What is sagging? There it is. That little guy, he just dancing around and you heard them sag. Sagging pants. Sagging ambition. Sagging interest. Sagging dreams. Sagging attitude. Sagging in respect. Sagging in dreams. Sagging in success. But we've got young people around the world who will not just shakalaka, but they're going to sag you to the top of the globe. Stay with us because these guys are going to sing you happy. And you want to know who they are? Well, I got to tell you, there's somebody special right here in Michigan. We talked to Kharee Kimer and Jerome Harris and Johnnie Bartnes. They do theirs with music. And now, from the great state of Michigan, here he is, the Wonder Man himself, the little man who knows how to do it well, Kharee Kimer.
Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, and no river wide enough, baby. And if you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby, just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. I remember the day you set me free. I told you you can always count on me, girl. And that day on, I made a vow I'll be there when you want me, some way, somehow. Don't you know that there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. No way, no way. Oh, winter's cold, can't stop me, baby. Oh no, baby. You'll be there on the double. I'll be there on the double. Just sing for me, oh baby. Oh, way down in my heart. I know we are miles apart. If you ever need a helping hand, I'll be there on the double. As fast as I can. Don't you know that there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. Thank you.
All right. From ambition, that's my baby. Nothing's going to keep me from my great interests, my good grades, my attitude and respect. Nothing's going to keep me from my dreams. No sagging pants, no sagging attitude. We'll see you next time around the world with the voice of my generation. I'm Dr. Ilani Ghost. Make it a good one with love and God.